Cloud mining has been one of the most profitable sources of passive income we've covered on this channel so far. In this video I'll tell you exactly how I managed to grow my cloud mining farm from pennies a day to over $400 a month. Let's get right into it. If you're new here, my name is Tigo, and on this channel I go over everything crypto related. From the latest news to current hypes and the most profitable airdrops. So if you're interested in any of this, feel free to join the community by subscribing to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. If you've been following the channel, you probably already know that I use GoMining as my main cloud mining provider. Now I won't be going over exactly what GoMining is and how to use it in this video. If you're interested in learning a little more about the platform and how to maximize your rewards there, I can recommend checking out the video here. In the previous video I documented the start of my cloud mining journey. We built our very first cloud mining machine and we immediately started seeing the rewards flowing in. If you haven't seen that video yet, I would definitely recommend checking it out first, as well this is the second part of that series. We left last video with a total hashing power of 26 terahashes a second, 16 terahashes from the bonus miner and another 10 terahashes from the 2 miners we bought. Buying these miners cost us a total of $215. In just the first week of mining, we managed to recoup $3.15 in mining rewards. So starting at a balance of negative $212, let's see what has changed in the last month. In the first week after I posted my last video, I was monitoring my wallets 24/7. At the end of the last video, we made the decision to reinvest our profits into mining power, meaning we'd automatically upgrade our miner every day with the funds we earned from mining. This meant compounding rewards, which was great. But it also meant we were quickly draining our wallet balance, as we still needed to pay for miner maintenance fees. So I went over to Maxi where I bought 300 GoMining tokens. See, on GoMining you get a service discount based on how many GoMining tokens you hold. I decided I wanted to get the maximum discount of 20%, which is why I bought this many tokens. If you're looking to buy some GoMining tokens yourself, I can definitely recommend going through Maxi, as they've got 0% maker fees on GoMining right now. At 45 cents a piece, the tokens cost us a total of $135. During this first week, our bonus miner also finally ran out. This meant that we would have to continue with just 10.3 terahashes a second, instead of the 27 terahashes we were used to. As we moved into week 2, I decided to stop reinvesting into mining power. I was planning on buying another miner, so I needed some more GoMining tokens. Rewards stayed fairly consistent, averaging 0.5 GoMining tokens a day or about 22 cents US. This continued for the rest of the week. Week 3 must have been the most boring week yet. But the rewards kept coming in and my balance kept growing. I was keeping a close eye on the miner marketplace, but no good deals were showing up. But what I didn't know here yet was that week 4 would become the most crazy week yet. The week started off slow. I was still looking for a good deal on a miner, but the markets remained empty. On day 2 of this week, I decided I was done waiting and I started building some miners myself. While watching the markets, I had noticed that small mining rigs sold way faster than the bigger mining machines. So I built 3 identical 1 terahash miners, each costing me 65 GoMining tokens or $24 US. Then, just a day later, I discovered Miner Wars. For those of you who don't know, Miner Wars is a sort of game within the GoMining ecosystem. You can join a clan and fight against other clans to win blocks. The more power your clan has, the more you mine and thus the more you earn. I was scrolling through the different clans and I thought, how cool would it be if we had our own Apex Crypto clan? So I made one. To create your own clan, you need to have at least 100 terahashes a second in mining power. So far I had built up a 15 terahash a second mining farm. So I had to go and buy some new miners. Honestly, this wasn't the best investment, but I needed the power fast, so I quickly bought 3 more miners. A 44 terahash machine, a 17 terahash machine, and a 25 terahash machine. Altogether, this brought my farm to a total power of 100.83 terahashes a second. And that's how we ended the month. So what did we spend and how much did we earn? Let's check it out. Let's start by going over the expenses. First of all, there's the cost of the miners. For all 10 of my miners combined, I paid a total of 5,444 GoMining tokens. Now, the price of the GoMining token differed a little between purchases, but at an average purchase price of 37 cents, I think I did pretty well. So in US dollars, all of the 10 miners combined cost me just over $2,000. To get these miners for such a good price, I did use a couple of tricks. If you're interested in my exact strategy buying GoMining miners, I can recommend you watch the video here. Another big expense was the electricity it takes to run these miners. At a couple of terahashes, you barely notice the electricity costs. But at 100 terahashes a second, things quickly start to add up. In the month of April, I spent 116 GoMining tokens on electricity, which at today's price is $46 US. That brings our total balance to negative $2,057.93. Now let's take a look at how much we earned. The majority of the month was spent solo mining. During this time we earned 41.93 GoMining tokens and 1677 Satoshi, or $18.38. But the real profit comes from the last week, when we upgraded our farm and started using the miner wars. In just the last week, we earned 105 GoMining tokens and 55,000 Satoshi. That comes out to another $92.71 in income. Altogether, in April, we have made a grand total of $60.09 in clean profits. This leaves our final balance at negative $1,946.06. If you want to stay up to date with my cloud mining journey, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications. And if you want to join me in Miner Wars, please check out the video here, where I walk you through the entire process. For now, that's all I have to say. See you in the next video.